Namaskar Sadhguru.
Hello Sadhguru.
Namaste Sadhguru.
Namaskaram Sadhguru.
Namaste Sadhguru.
I have to provide for my family, but I also want to stay happy.
Should we or should we not care about what others think about us? And if not, then how should we stop ourselves from doing that?
Keep following the rules. We feel like boring.
Why in India love marriages are still crime?
And when we don't follow, we feel like guilt.
How can we build a bridge between the spirituality and being practical?
How do I concentrate?
Technology is somewhere, I believe, is giving us an isolation.
In everyone's life, there is a chance to be ethical and get something less in life. Where do we draw the line between being selfless and being selfish? Or go a little unethical and get far better things in life?
How does pornography affecting the youth of India?
Majority of the youth are pushed towards alcohols and drugs.
Being born and after death, there's this feeling of non-existence. So what does that feel like?
It's very saddening to see young brilliant minds taking extreme step of their life and committing suicide when they come under this depression.
Spiritual practices, I believe, they are path towards helping the youngsters to overcome all these pressures. But there's a social taboo because of the intellectual framework that our society is living in. So how can we bring more and more youth towards these spiritual practices?
What are the advantages of yoga over gym?
हम दूध क्यों पीते हैं जबकि हमें पसंद नहीं है? Thank you.